This video will guide you through installation instructions for your Duo-tone messenger bag. This messenger bag can be mounted to a sissy bar and carried on your back, making it useful whether on or off your motorcycle. Your messenger bag will come with installation instructions and shoulder straps. Adjust the velcro straps over the backrest pad. Once in position, wrap the straps with buckles at the bottom along both sides around the sissy bar uprights. Lock the buckles and tighten the straps to secure the bag. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Duo-tone messenger bag, and now you are ready to ride.